Come on. Now we have taken another segment from the symmetric rules, that is a folding symmetry. Fine. Now in the folding symmetry, suppose I put a mirror over here. Do you think that 2r and 2r is same here? No. Do you think that the 2r and 2r is same here? Or you can see the mirror image of this? No. Because here it is 2r, here is 4r. Here 2r, here is 4r. So it will not deal with the mirror symmetry. So if I put a mirror like this, then what do you say? This is 2r, this is 2r, this is 4r, and this is 4r. When this type of thing exists in a circuit, this is called folding symmetry. Now what is the difference between folding symmetry and the mirror symmetry? Mirror symmetry is always perpendicular to these terminals x and y, where we take the imaginary battery. And the folding symmetry is parallel to xy, means along xy. Fine, that is to be folding symmetry. In the folding symmetry, see, in mirror symmetry we will deal with the current. In the folding symmetry we will deal with the voltage. इतना याद रखना है आपको. क्या हो जाएगा अगर फोल्डिंग सिमेट्री होगी? द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट विल रिमेन सेम, पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट विल रिमेन सेम, एंड पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट विल रिमेन सेम. Fine. Now you can see that for this resistance, what is the potential difference? VA minus VB. For this resistance, what is the potential difference? VA minus VB. So what do you say about these two? These two are connected parallelly, and you know what is the parallel combination of 2R and 2R? It is R. Fine. You can find out with the formula 1 upon R1 is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 is 1 upon R effective, like this. Now what do you say about this two? Now this two have the same potential. Here it is also potential VB. This is also potential VB. You know that when the potential is same, this point and this point has the same potential, this line is shorted up. When this is shorted up, no current flows from this branch, because current will always flow from high potential to low potential. So this branch is shorted. So now the potential across this R3 and R4 is same, that is VB minus VC. Here is also VB minus VC. It means that these two are parallel. And what is the parallel combination of 4R, 4R? It is 2R. Fine. Now you can see that if the effective resistance of this part, so this comes out to be effective as R, this comes out for this part comes out to be 2R. So again it is in series combination, so resultant comes out to be what? 3R. See, I have taken an application of this folding symmetry. Now you can see that this point is suppose X and this point is Y. See, you have to do it this by yourself, but I'll explain you. If I put like this, fine, you can see that it is a mirror symmetry. 10, 10, 10, 10, and this is also 10 and this is also 10. Fine, it means that the potential of this 2 point is same. You can write same potential. Here the potential is same. You can write the same potential. Here the potential is same. I can write VC. Suppose I write this here as VD. Now you can understand these 2 points are shorted up. These two are in parallel, so it comes out to be phi. These two are in parallel, comes out to be phi. These two are in parallel, comes out to be phi. Now these three are in series. You can do orally. Phi, phi, phi. It is 15. Now you know that the effective resistance is 15 and the potential is 6. You can find out what is the current flowing through the ammeter. Do it by yourself, and please write the answer in a comment box. I hope you understand. If you understand, please share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.